bit of this bridge. I'm walking. The other parts I think you've seen already when I walk the other way. But particularly I'm videoing this part. Obviously, model makers, you can see the really rusted things. You can see the pylons there to hold the catenary of the pantographs on the locomotives, and notice how high that catenary is to that bridge there. And don't forget, that's because, and as I said on other videos, it's at least a metre lower, that track bed. So your bridge across a river, or it could actually be quite interesting if you made it a two-tier, as in this bridge. It's real. Anyway, we're coming to the end, but most importantly, as I said, and you can just see right there to the left by that disused signal in front of it, the World War II soldiers bunker there, the guards one there. But over this side, and I have to go down this side, like way back the other side of the bridge, it's gone down the embankment. And here you can see the flood wall. This is actually the big flood wall. It's very high, and down there is the floodplain. We have to go down here, maybe down here, and you can see, I don't want to fall on my backside doing this, and I hope I don't, otherwise you guys are gonna, and girls, are gonna have a giggle and a half. But there we go. There it is laying on its side. It's from way back 75 years ago, or when it was constructed, and probably made on site. I have no idea if they made these on site or not, but here it is. Oh, model makers, you can make these things, you can put them on your continental layout by bridges and other structures, because indeed you don't have to have them in pristine condition. Look how weathered that is. Look at this one on its side, and I have no idea what's in there. There you go, there's the bottom where the soldier would stand, and there's the two places there under the door. Well, the door seems to be on the bottom there, and there's the metal there. It's actually quite a diameter, and you can't quite see, but I'm guessing 2 meters in diameter, 3 meters tall. So obviously the person or persons inside will be sat down on a seat. Anyway, let's get up the other side again, and don't laugh if I end up on my posterior, as they call it very politely in English. Obviously, who knows, who may be watching this video, I have to go careful up here, not to stress myself. Oh, my goodness, you can easily get out of breath going up these things. And there we go, there's the bridge. There's the bridge, and look, there's the counterweights, and there you go, high up there is how the pantograph is. Anyway, let's cross the over. There's the track there. We might just wait for another one, but on another video. Well, so just say goodbye until the next one. Thank you.